You don't need $1 million to get paid daily. You need a different mindset. In 2026, 4 boring, overlooked systems can deposit money into your account every 24 hours. None of them require you to become a day trader or a YouTuber. First, rent out your unused internet bandwidth through decentralized networks. You earn 50 cents to $3 daily while you sleep. Second, use Fintech apps that give you instant cashback before you buy. AI predicts your spending and splits the discount. Third, license your anonymized shopping and browsing data directly to AI training platforms. That's another $1 to $5 daily. Fourth, run an automated covered call ladder on a low-volatility ETF. Your robo-advisor collects daily premiums of 0.1% to 0.3%. 4 streams at $2 each is $8 a day. Reinvested, that becomes a second paycheck in 3 years. Start tonight